I've known John, well, I met him in 2009 in Chicago. Sheridan Mentoring was having a reunion, and at that point, John presented his Bearish Butterfly, and I saw it for the first time, and I thought, that is about the craziest damn thing I've ever seen. I mean, you're leaning into the risk, and when you got negative deltas that are just putting you underwater, you just add more of them. And I thought I couldn't possibly trade that. Well, in the meantime, it's become my bread and butter, some variation of it. I thank John very much for that, of course. And I've got to say that, this forum and this group with John has got to be just one of the best. And not that I want to push it, but I have tried a lot of different mentorings and courses and whatever, and this is by far the real thing, particularly the weekly option income trading presentation. It sticks to the same rules and does it by the book, and there's just no cheating. So I very much appreciate it, and I'm happy to share a little bit of what I've been through and hope that not everyone has to go through all the mistakes that I've made.